Your AI agent needs product data from 500 e-commerce sites. You hit run and get blocked on site 12. The Crawlbase Web MCP server fixes this by handling blocks, JavaScript rendering, and messy HTML automatically. Here's how to connect it to your AI workflow in under 5 minutes. The first step is to create a new automated agent workflow in N8N with these nodes. First is the manual trigger, which triggers the workflow on demand. Next is the workflow configuration, which centralizes parameters. You can name your workflow in the top left corner of your canvas. Then we will move to the AI agent, which is the brain of our operation. We will engage the OpenAI chat model to power the AI agent. Lastly, we will connect to Crawlbase via the MCP client tool. Your setup should look like this. The second step is to centralize inputs in the configuration node. This node is where you define everything the agent needs. Open your workflow configuration node and add the following fields, which consist of the URL to scrape, how deep you want to crawl, and instructions for the AI agent. Here's an example prompt you can copy from our blog and paste into N8N. Ensure that other fields is enabled so that the data flows through. The third step is to connect the MCP client tool. Here, we will open the MCP client node and configure it with the following parameters. The endpoint URL, which is your MCP server URL, and the other parameters, as listed in our blog. The fourth step is to set up the language model. Now, open your OpenAI chat model node and set the following. The fifth step is to configure the AI agent node to handle the entire scraping and analysis process. Add the following prompt to the text field. This expression dynamically inserts the URL into your prompt. Now, let's add the system message to remove ambiguity and tell the agent to use the scraping tool, follow the intended flow, and return results in a consistent format. The final step is to execute the workflow. It might take a few seconds to execute. The workflow has been executed successfully. Here's our output. That's it. We have shown you how to build an AI agent workflow using Crawlbase Web MCP. You can refer to our blog for details on how to build similar workflows. Drop a like if this saved you hours of manual research, and don't forget to take advantage of our referral program. Earn a 25% recurring commission for every user you refer to Crawlbase. Subscribe for more no-code AI automations. And let us know in the comments what web scraping tutorial you want to learn next. See you in the next one.